All right, I'm headed up the Chalone Trail. I'm gonna go to the highest peak in Pinnacles, and once I'm there, that'll basically be the park. So on the map, there is a trail that goes right along the bottom of these cliffs and connects to the high trail. Oh, okay, I see what's happening here. And there we go. Okay, so I'm coming off the Discovery Wall Trail, and according to the map, if I just keep going forward, I should get back on the typical Bear Gulch Reservoir Trail. Got to be careful out here. These caves are formed by these giant rocks sitting on top of each other. So you think everything's cool, and then all of a sudden, new territory. This is about as far as I've ever gone on this trail. New adventure awaits. So one thing to note, it is late-ish September and the weather in California has just barely gotten over summer. Just about a week ago, we had a 100-degree per day heat wave go through. Not a place you want to be during a heat wave. Okay, this is pretty cool. If you notice the shadow right here, those are the switchbacks for the trail, the high trail. It comes up over this ridge, around here, and then coming like right into that rock is the down trail. It's pretty awesome being able to see almost the whole thing from here. So the gulch is like right down there, that little touch of dark brown, and then you see the high ridge trail over here. So I'm not sure how much better the views are going to get than this, but it's pretty cool to be able to see that from here. It's about 12:45. I'm having a raisin oatmeal cookie lunch. I should probably be at the peak in about 15-20 minutes. So this is the last of the big Pinnacles trails for me. I've done all the big ones now once I get to this peak. Gotta tell you, this place is just so cool. I mean, living in the Central Valley of California is not ideal, but the fact that you have your choice of the Pacific Ocean, or one of the most amazing valleys in the world, entire granite mountains, and a high desert volcanic place like this, all within a couple-hour drive. It's pretty amazing. Just in case you're wondering, I am not at all tired of this hill yet. So the deal with the hill is it's pretty much uphill all the way up here, but it's not like a big quad buster or anything. It's just tiring because it goes on and on. But about the last quarter mile or so, it's like half again as steep. Then the quads kick in. Hey, there it is. All right, well, it is 1:40 and I am on the summit of North Chalone Peak. It is amazing up here, just beautiful views. I just met a volunteer condor watcher over here. He's got some equipment set up, checking them out, seeing where they are, what they're doing. And found out this old fire tower is no longer used. It's not in great shape, but well worth the climb. Trail isn't the best in the park, but this view is hard to beat. So the thing about redlining a park is that you're pretty much supposed to take every trail it has to offer, but I can basically see this 1.5 mile long trail from here. The volunteer condor watcher said that it doesn't even go to the peak, which I'm sure I could boonie crash up there, but if a trail doesn't go to the peak of a mountain, there's probably a reason. I'm not really sure what you could see from there that I haven't already seen from here. I don't picture it getting much better, and I just don't think I want to add 3 more miles to this trip, so I think I'm calling it.